Hey there, this video is in continuity with my home networking tour, which if you haven't watched yet, then there I had mentioned of my old Cisco router which failed and I had to replace it with a better router, and then I got DIR 825 from D-Link. So this is D-Link AC 1200 dual band Wi-Fi router which costs around 2799 on Amazon as well as 2799 on Chroma. I have another router on the first floor which is AC68U from Asus, and it has costed me 17,000 earlier back in 2016. But now dual band routers are much cheaper at entry level models, and this is one of them. This is not just having 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, but also it has gigabyte ports, which is must for my home network setup, on which I will be making another video to share my network configuration, and links to which shall be mentioned in the description below. So in the box we have manual guide, warranty details, some more paperwork, and finally Wi-Fi SSID name and password card, and that's the power brick, that's a Cat5e fiber, and that's the DJI remote control. That's the device itself. So it has 4 antennas. On the back side it has 4 GB ports, 1 GB WAN port, 1 USB 2.0 port, AC input, reset button, and power switch. And that's my final setup. Now if you want to watch overview about initial setup of my router, that follows now, and if you don't, then that's all for this video, and thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Peace. So for setup, first get connected to the given SSID as on your Wi-Fi card and enter the password which is also found on the same card. Now check that we are connected to the new router, and after that we have to go to the IP of the router which is mentioned on the SIM card. Now enter the user ID and the password to connect to your ISP, and then you have to create your own SSID and password, and then it will reboot, and here as in the status page you can see that you are connected to the internet, so the setup is complete.